Hello, this is Sean from Charisma Vehicles with a quick video for you of this Skoda Fabia estate car that I've recently taken into stock. As you can see, it's in a metallic blue. Unfortunately, it just has too much work required for me to retail it, hence on eBay for spares or repairs. I have taken photographs of all of the main items, but in essence pretty much every panel needs something done to it, which is such a shame because it is a lovely little car. Drives absolutely fine, no issues there whatsoever. But if you look at the video, you can see wheel arch, the alloy wheels. The front bumper has been painted before, I think, and that's why it is peeling away. Let's get you around the other side where you can see it better. All around here, look, and it's been damaged into the door. There's the rust spots there, the lowest area above the sill, all the way along here, I'm afraid. Such a shame. Alloy wheels, and the rear bumper has obviously had a bump as it is compressed here, etc. So I can't retail it, so it's spares or repairs. MOT though is long, 29th of November 2024. The only advisory it has was for offside front tyre, getting close to the legal limit. It is 1,500 miles past its due service date, so it will need a service. And I'll quickly show you inside because I'm afraid it's been a dog car and therefore it needs a very good valet. Let me show you. Okay, so I have given it a quick hoover, but I don't know if you can see, it has got staining on the seats inside. It's been a working car. Previous owner worked out in the field, so to speak, so it has got lots of mud on it. I've taken photographs of the mileage and the service interval indicator so you can see that. Actual fabric of the seats and the seats themselves are very good. Just needs a really good valet. Let me just start her up for you so you can hear that too. Okay, so she's binging to tell me it needs a service, I just mentioned, but fires up straight away. And as I say, everything else in the car functions. It's even got a sort of climate control system, radio, stereo at the bottom. So please have a good read of the description. If you want to ask any more questions, you're more than welcome. This video will be on my YouTube channel because it will be too big for the eBay site itself, but there'll be a link on there for you. Many thanks. Bye for now.